As tax season ramps up, cases of tax fraud climb. Thanks for joining us. I'm Alexandra Renslow.
And I'm Mike Johnson. Scammers often target the most vulnerable. As Renee Bonneau reports, groups like AARP want seniors to be especially vigilant this time of year.
Okay, do you have a phone number?
Tax time is about the only time many people trust their personal information with strangers.
I wouldn't just give my information out to just anybody. You know what I'm saying?
Did you work for Minigasco?
No.
John Russell keeps a close watch on his data and finances, but still recently became a victim of fraud.
Check my checking account probably at least once a week, and I saw this entry for $245 and some odd cents and didn't know what it was.
He says being taken advantage of was sickening.
It's just, disgusting. You work hard, senior, don't have that much income, and then you got sleazy people that are always preying on somebody.
Unfortunately, tax season brings with it a unique crop of fraud cases. AARP says there are 3 types of fraud seniors especially should watch out for. Number 1, scam emails. Scammers pose as the IRS and send emails claiming to be doing a tax audit. Do not give any information. The IRS does not audit via email. Number 2, fraudulent returns. All scammers need to file a return is your name, social security number, and birth date. If you're told you already filed a return and you haven't, contact the IRS immediately. Finally, intercepted returns. Scammers try to steal paper checks sent in the mail. It's safest to have your tax returns deposited directly in the bank.
Filing status, single?
AARP says you can protect yourself from tax fraud by filing early.
Did you take a distribution?
If possible, meet face-to-face with the person doing your taxes.
Well, you've got to keep track of it.
If you do your own taxes, use a secure computer connection. And a rule of thumb to remember all year long:
You have to just be careful about who you give your information to.
Somebody calls up and wants information, I don't give it to them.
I don't even give it to the church.
You get an email from somebody that such and such and such, and they need this information. No, delete.
The IRS is working hard to combat identity theft and refund fraud. The agency says the number of IRS criminal investigations into identity theft issues tripled from 2011 to 2012. And Mike and Alex, so far in the 2013 fiscal year, more than 560 criminal ID theft investigations have been opened.
All right, you got to be careful. Thanks, Renee.